Yes, you heard right. Johnny and Cely are no longer together.
Because you've all been such a close part of our relationship, I want to share with you that Johnny and I are no longer together. While our relationship has been public from the start, I do ask that you respect this decision and our privacy during this time. There is no reason to speculate. I am so thankful for our time together, but now it's simply time for each of us to focus on our own personal journey. I hope that you continue to support each of us individually as we move forward, heal, and continue to follow our dreams.
Johnny reposted Cely's comment saying all love. So I guess the feelings are the same and it just didn't work out. We wish both Cely and Johnny the best.
Shawnice and Sade, you know we coming through. Sade, come T-dot. Cross my T's and I dot my O's.
To comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Our channel is about perspective, knowledge, and understanding.